Tanner is on the path, on the warpath. What you looking for? Just gonna go up there? I want to look at his back paw. It's making a sound when he walks, and they all just got their nails cut. So his nails should not be making a sound when he walks. So there must be something up with that. I will check you out. I will check you out. He was just harassing Ellie in her spot. I haven't turned off the heating pad that I had running over the winter because it's still cold. So she's in there, she's enjoying the heating pad, and he's jealous. Oh, and your eye is gooping. Oh, that's ugly. I need to wash his face. His face needs washing. Your face needs washing, yes. Anyway, I've got to deal with him. Yesterday, after my physiotherapy, my driver took me to the passport office, Service Canada. And it's not the passport office, it's where you get your passports. Anyway, he took me there. And I went there. He took me there, I went there. And I dealt with the lady there. Very nice French-Canadian lady. And I thought I had everything, but my son had not signed the back of my photographs. So that was the thing. So I went, okay, it's okay. Mimi has offered. She says, why don't you go on a Friday? I can drive you on a Friday. So I can come back tomorrow if you can make an appointment for me tomorrow. And she went, no problem. 9:30. Baby's going to daycare. After daycare, we go to the Service Canada. So this morning, with the photograph signed, baby dropped off, we went there again. And new lady looking at everything. And she said, this is all good, except we need to know what was the cause of the name change, okay? From this, your birth certificate, to this, your present documentation, which all has a different name. I switched last names. I took my husband's last name when we got married. She said, well, then you need your marriage certificate. Of course, that's the one thing I didn't have with me, because I don't walk around with my marriage certificate. And I don't feel I should have it in a purse that goes all over the place when all the other documentation is in there, not my marriage certificate. I went, okay. So Mimi was in the Shoppers Drug Mart next door. I quickly called her and said, we need my marriage certificate. She says, oh no. She says, no problem. Because I said, can we come back today? Because we have to pick up the baby, right? So she worked it out that we would come back, drop off the marriage certificate at 4 o'clock exactly, and then pick up the baby and then go out for dinner. Yeah, that works out. So that's what's happening. Today, we're going back, dropping it off, picking up the baby, going out for dinner. Why did she not tell me that yesterday? I don't know. It's just, she would have eventually gotten around to that had I had those signed. She would have eventually noticed it, I'm sure. But she did not notice it. Tanner, can I see your back paws? I'm going to have a look at his back paws. Tanner, can you stay there, please? Yeah, that's a good place to be. Good boy. I'm just out to look at this. Okay, nothing there. Nothing there. Okay. And no, hang on. Don't go up there. Just a minute, a minute. Other paw. You have to let me look at that paw. Okay, that looks good. That looks good. That looks good. All those nails have to look good. You're missing a nail. Okay, that's fine. I don't see anything wrong. I don't know why you clicked. You're good. Did you hear him huffling and snuffling? He seems fine. I'll clean your face later. No idea. Anyway, we're going back to Service Canada.